Joey Calzaghe is a Welsh former professional boxer who competed from 1993 to 2008. Calzaghe was born in Hammersmith, London to a Sardinian father Enzo and a Welsh mother Jackie. His paternal grandparents settled in Britain after the Second World War, during which his grandfather Giuseppe had served in the 12th Infantry Division Sassari but had returned to live in Italy by the end of the 1950s. Calzaghe's father worked several jobs as a teenager in Italy, including as a barman, a chef, and a cleaner, before traveling Europe as a busker. In 2007, Calzaghe won the BBC Sports Personality of the Year award, making him the first Welsh winner of this award since David Broome in 1960. Calzaghe was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 2014. He was nicknamed the Pride of Wales and the Italian Dragon. Calzaghe is the longest reigning super middleweight world champion in boxing history, having held the World Boxing Organization (WBO) title for over 10 years and defending it against 20 opponents, a record in the division shared with Seven Otoke, before moving up to light heavyweight. As his super middleweight and light heavyweight reigns overlapped, he retired with the longest continual time as world champion of any active boxer at the time. Calzaghe was the first boxer to unify three of the four major world titles at super middleweight and was the inaugural ring champion in that weight class. He has three sons, two from an 11-year marriage to Mandy Davis from 1994 to 2005 and one from a 3-year relationship with Katie Matthews. Calzaghe split up with his girlfriend of 5 years, Jo Emma Larvin, in 2009 after participating in the 7th series of the BBC's Strictly Come Dancing series. Partnering with Russian professional Kristina Reynahov, Calzaghe and Rehanhoff began a relationship soon thereafter. However, the couple announced the amicable breakup of their relationship in August 2013. As of May 2023, BoxRec rates Calzaghe is the second greatest European boxer, pound for pound, of all time, behind Julio Loy. On 8 July 2008, after Calzaghe's split from Frank Warren, it was officially announced that the 39-year-old Roy Jones Jr. and 36-year-old Joey Calzaghe had reached an agreement to fight for the Ring Light Heavyweight Championship in New York City at Madison Square Garden on 20 September 2008 on HBO PPV. Jones was on the comeback trail and coming off a win over Felix Trinidad. On 19 April 2008 at the Thomas & Mack Center in Las Vegas, Calzaghe defeated Bernard Hopkins to win the Ring Light Heavyweight Championship by a split decision in his first ever fight in the United States. In May 2007, Frank Warren released details to BBC 5 Live and on his website that Calzaghe had accepted Morgan Pell's offer of $5 million to fight undefeated WBA and WBC world champion Michael Kessler. On 14 October 2006, Calzaghe faced the ranked contender and future WBC super middleweight champion Sakio Bika.